Here with the fam at Hoover Dam. Wave, guys. Hey, Dev. Wave. Pretty nice, huh?
Alright folks, I hope you had a chance to look out the window that we have here. Each one of these pipes can carry up to about 88,000 gallons per second. Capable of producing 2,080 megawatts of electrical energy. Now that's enough to power about 1.3 million Harada. Let's take a look at the very first generator here, M1, meaning Nevada 1. That was one of the first of its kind, installed in 1936. Because each of these generators is about 70 feet tall, so just imagine about 44 feet down below. Each of these cranes can lift 300 tons. We use this crane so we can lift rotors and turbines in and out for servicing.
Now it's called the tail bay or tail ring.